Welcome to the Computer World Terminologies and Concepts series. Today we will explore plugins and extensions. These are software components that add new features and functionality to existing applications without modifying their core code. Think of them as optional add-ons that make your software do more than it originally could. Plugins and extensions are everywhere in modern software, and understanding them is essential for getting the most out of your tools. There are two main types of software add-ons. First, we have plugins, which are software add-ons designed for desktop applications. For example, photo editing filters in Photoshop are plugins. Audio effects in music production software, called digital audio workstations, are also plugins. Video editors use plugins to add effects to your footage. Then we have extensions, which are specifically designed for web browsers and content management systems. Ad blockers are browser extensions that remove advertisements from websites. Password managers like LastPass are extensions that help you store and manage your passwords securely. WordPress, a popular website builder, uses plugins to add features like shopping carts and contact forms. Plugins and extensions provide several important benefits. First, they enable customization. You can personalize software to match your specific workflow and needs. Second, they save time. They allow you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your work process. Third, they provide easy updates. New features can be added without changing the core application code, making updates safer and simpler. Finally, they are cost-effective. Using existing plugins saves development time and reduces overall expenses compared to building features from scratch. Let's look at some real-world examples of plugins and extensions in action. Adobe Camera Raw is a professional plugin that photographers use in Photoshop for advanced photo editing. LastPass is a browser extension that securely stores and autofills your passwords. Grammarly is a grammar and spelling checker extension that works across the web as you type. VST plugins are audio effects and instruments used by music producers in digital audio workstations. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that turns WordPress websites into fully functional online stores. Finally, uBlock Origin is a popular ad blocking extension that removes advertisements and enhances your browsing experience. Installing plugins and extensions follows a simple four-step process. First, you find the plugin or extension you need. This typically means searching official marketplaces or downloading directly from the provider's website. Second, you download the file, which is usually in a compressed zip format. Third, you install it by either running an installer program or uploading the file to your application's plugin directory. Fourth, you activate the plugin and configure any necessary settings to make it work with your needs. Once you have plugins and extensions installed, proper maintenance is critical. Keep them updated regularly to receive important security patches and access new features. Remove any plugins you no longer use, as inactive plugins can create security risks and cause conflicts with other software. Always check compatibility before installing plugins to ensure they work with your application version. Most importantly, always create backups of your system before installing or updating anything. This protects your data in case something goes wrong. While plugins and extensions are incredibly useful, they do come with security risks that you need to be aware of. Malware is a serious concern, as malicious plugins can contain hidden code that steals your personal data or monitor your activities. Some extensions request overpermissions, asking for access to more of your system than they actually need. Data theft is possible if extensions gain access to sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers. Finally, unpatched vulnerabilities are a risk when you use outdated plugins that haven't been updated with security fixes. To protect yourself when using plugins and extensions, follow these best practices. Only download from trusted sources. Use official app stores and verified developers. Never download from unknown websites. Always review permissions before installing. Check what data and features each plugin is requesting access to. Read user reviews and ratings before installation to see if others have reported problems or concerns. Keep security software active on your computer. An up-to-date antivirus program can detect and block malicious plugins before they cause damage. In conclusion, plugins and extensions are powerful tools that extend software capabilities with ease and flexibility. They allow us to customize applications, save time, and add new features without complex coding. However, they require careful security practices to ensure both safety and compatibility. Whether you are using Photoshop filters, browser extensions, or WordPress add-ons, remember to install from trusted sources, keep them updated, and stay aware of security risks. By following these guidelines, you can safely harness the full potential of plugins and extensions in your digital life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.